How to pay on Alibaba with credit Visa card. Let's get started. First, go to the Google and search for Alibaba website. Then click on the link that says www.globalsources.com. Tap on the link and you will be redirected to their homepage. Then log into your account and you will be able to see the products. Search for the products and select the one you want to buy. For example, I want to buy this phone. I will add it into my cart. And then I will initiate a request order. After initiating a request order, I will select the color or the model for me. Then I will check out for the next option. Then I will have to choose the payment method. The Alibaba.com supports a variety of payment methods including credit debit cards, PayPal, wire transfers, and online banking option. They also offer financing options like pay later for eligible buyers in certain regions and trade assurance which provides a secure escrow service. That's how you can pay on Alibaba with credit Visa card. That's all.